Hello y'all and welcome to my channel once again. I really enjoy being on my couch. It just seems a little bit more cozy and comfy, and you know, we are in the holidays, so gotta stay comfy. Also, it's fucking cold. Like, it's freezing in San Francisco, and my room, I don't know why, but my room is just always cold. But I think it's because it like faces like the outer part of my apartment, so it's always freezing. So I'm in my living room right now, and hopefully my roommates don't come home, because this is gonna be really awkward if they come in and they see like a whole entire like setup, like the lights, the everything, you know, like the whole shebang. So what we are going to be doing today is we are going to be doing a Christmassy makeup tutorial thingamabobber. Like usual, my eyebrows are already done, my face is already set, blended, all that stuff. So I'm just gonna immediately go into the Prados Beauty. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Prados is what I thought it was called, but I'm gonna just say Prados. Prados. I don't know. I'm gonna be going into this nice pinky shade right here and just putting that on my crease, just so that way I can have something there to blend into. And I'm taking an M573. I also forgot to say, I may look extremely dark in this video. That is because I ran out of my normal foundation. Well, that's a lie. I just don't know where my foundation is. I have no idea where my foundation is, and I low-key am like still looking for it. But I have my old foundation from like the summer. So this is me like during the summer, and I'm sorry that I'm pulling like an Ariana. I'm sorry I'm pulling like a James Charles. But we're gonna have to take me as I am today as a little bit darker than I should be, even though this is what I usually am during the summer. But I just wanted to say that, because I know people are be like, did you get a tan? I'm like, no, I just can't color match foundation. That's it. But we're gonna continue with this look. So literally we're just doing something really easy, really simple for the holidays. Like, this is just a simple holiday look. Like, hello. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go back into the same palette and go into this very cute red shade right here. And I'm gonna take this on. I'm gonna take this on an E27 brush. I'm just gonna dip in and blend this out in my crease and just kind of keep it closer to the insides of my crease so it looks like a gradient, you know? That brush is a little too big, so I'm switching to the M139 just because I was having a lot of difficulty. That wasn't the right color. I was having a lot of difficulty trying to like get that shade to blend out because that brush is really big. So let's pretend. Rule of advice: don't do what I just did. I had fallout and I tried to rub it off, but then this happened. I am gonna cry. I'm not. Let's pretend. Let's just keep going. We're gonna keep going, you know? We're gonna keep going. We're gonna have fun with this. This is a fun video where we're gonna relax. Now I'm gonna go into the Morphe 25L palette, I believe it's called. Let me see. Apparently it's called the Artistry palette, so we're just gonna do that. The Artistry palette, and we're gonna go into this shade right here, which is Life. And I am also going to be taking it on the same brush I was using before and really just darken my crease, but especially pack this in towards the ends of my eye to try to like make it seem like the ends are like smaller so they look more snatched. So going back into the M537 brush, I'm going to go into this shade once again and kind of blend out my crease just to bring it up a little bit more so that way it doesn't like, I don't know, it's sitting very low and we want it to be like, ooh, it's so blended and so like, it's like dispersing, like osmosis or some shit like that. Do I look like a scientist? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Oh shit, I just died. Okay, so I am back. I took a little break to eat because I have not eaten all day. We are gonna continue with this look. I am now going to be making a cut crease. Let me see if I can brighten this for y'all. So I am now just going to be taking a regular angled brush. Any old angled brush would work. I'm using the Anastasia angled brush and a concealer or foundation of your choice. I'm just going to make my favorite thing, which is my cut crease. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of my concealer onto my brush, and I am going to outline the area in which I want to place my cut crease. So usually it's just gonna be towards the front. I might do like a half moon today instead of like the full thing, just because I don't know if I'm feeling like the whole entire thing is what I wanna do today. But let's get started cutting our crease. Now I'm just gonna be taking a flat brush and I'm gonna go into the shade called Milk, and I'm gonna put this on to that area just to like have a base color, and then we'll like make it more special. Just wait. Okay, this is weird, but I don't have a like shimmery white shade. Actually, no, I do. So I'm gonna once again go into the Prada's Beauty makeup palette. I am just gonna go into this really pretty like silvery kind of white like shimmer shade, and it's honestly really nice because I swatched it and I'm like, dang, this is pigmented. I'm just going to be taking this on my finger and then putting it on my eyelids. And then to make everything blend in a little bit more, I'm going back into the E27 brush, going into the red shade from the Prada's Beauty palette, and I'm going to try to blend where the shimmer and the white meets the red, so that way it's a little bit more like blended and settled rather than like, bam, there's color. Okay, wait. I'm low-key in love with this. Like, this is kind of iconic. I have this NYX red eyeshadow and I want to use this as eyeliner, kind of. I have an idea. I have a really interesting idea. So let's see if this works. I'm going to take some of the I'm gonna take some of the MAC Fix Plus and I'm going to put it over here, like on this dish. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna scrape some of this off from my eyeshadow and kind of mix it together to like make this paste that I can use as an eyeliner. And now I'm just going to put this on my eye. Wish me luck. So this is kind of how I'm doing this makeup look. I am really interested to see how this turns out. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side of my eye off camera because this was stressful enough. Finish up my face and then come back and we'll put on our lipstick together and I will have the completed outfit on. So I will see y'all in a minute. So I am back. It has been a while, but I am finally back. I took a long break. It's been like honestly 2 hours. So I need to like get up and get ready to finish this video because right now I am behind. I need to get on schedule or else I won't finish on time. So I'm now gonna be doing my lipstick. For my lipstick, I decided to do something really simple just because like, you know, like it's a lot, like this is a lot. So we're gonna do something a little more simpler just to like balance it out. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna go into the shade Velvet Teddy by MAC. And I'm really just gonna put this on my lips. There's nothing really to it, it's just lipstick. Should I like do something fun? Like, should I get like a lip gloss or something? Let me see if I have a lip gloss or something that could go with this. I'm gonna go into the ColourPop lip gloss in Sailor Moon. It's this really cute orangey kind of like gloss. And I'm gonna try to put this more towards like the middle part of my lip just to like make it like shine a little bit more. So yeah. So this pretty much is it for my Christmassy kind of makeup tutorial. Honestly, I really enjoyed doing like the red eyeliner and like the really like shimmering white on my eyelid. I feel like that's a very nice touch. And honestly, like I just like this look because I feel like it's very simple, but like still very like kind of out there. Like you're like, ooh, you could tell like this person put effort. Ew, it just went into my mouth. This person went effort to do their makeup for the holidays, which is something that I love. So the only thing I really have to say now is thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all liked this video. If you did not like this video, that's probably because you don't like Christmas. And if you don't like Christmas, why? Why do you hate the season of giving gifts? I know that's not the original intent of Christmas, or like, you know, like, I mean, I get like, you know what, that's problematic because commercialization and like capitalism, so like I kind of get that sense. So like okay, you know what, I just like Christmas for the music. The music is like top tier. I love Christmas music. I also like snow. Controversial, I like snow. So snow, but I don't live like near snow, so that's why I like snow. But I feel like if I lived somewhere that there was snow, I would not like it because I'd be like, why are you in my way? I'm just trying to leave. I'm just trying to walk out. Why are you so cold? Don't forget to go down to the links below where you also see links to my other videos because there's always something fun down there. So just go check it out. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video, wherever that may be. I don't know where it is. Bye-bye. Happy holidays for whatever you celebrate, because I don't discriminate, and I, you know, do whatever you want. I don't care. I got a sunshine in my hair. I hiccup when I like tried to laugh and that hurt.